How to record Zoom meeting on laptop or PC. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily record your Zoom meetings. First thing first, open up your Zoom application on your PC. Once you open up your application, just make sure that you are logged into your account. And as you guys can see here, I'm already logged in here with my Facebook. Now what you're going to have to do is create a new meeting. Just click on this new meeting option and then create your own new meeting. And once you have done that, your meetings preview will show up right here. Just go ahead and click on the start option. And once you start your meeting, you will have an option to record your meeting. In order to record, you just have to click on this more option that you see at right beside the AI companion or right beside the end option. If you tap on the three dots, you'll find the record option. You could also use the shortcut Alt plus R key on your keyboard to start recording.
Recording in progress.
Now it will say that recording is in progress, and if you want to continue without audio, just tap on this. And the meeting audio may not be fully recorded as I am muted here, but if anyone speaks during the meeting, it will also be recorded here. Now, if you want to stop the recording, you can click on this pause. And if you want to stop completely, you can click on the stop recording option or the shortcut Alt plus R key on your keyboard. And the recording will now be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. Now, if you click on the end meeting for all, your recording will be saved right here. Now you can choose where you want to save the recording and you should be good to go. It's currently saved on this site right here. It's on my user documents, Zoom, and then under this, I have my Zoom meeting saved. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.